I taking video evidence of this because no one's gonna believe me. It just came down, pouring rain, and it started to literally swamp itself down here. I had to run through this at full speed to get my car moving. Everything's spot in there, I gotta go in there. That's where my car was sitting. Look how close I got. Look how deep that is. Had a neutral dropper, which I don't like doing. Do a stick peel. Move her over here. Which should be high enough. Way while sitting on the embankment. And some mud on there. But despite all that, she's running really good. Never had a hard starter really hard before. Sit there and rev the hell out of it and drop it. The only my concern is all the water on the side of that hill when it comes out of that pipe. But needless to say, stupid he meant.